So I wanted to bring this to your attention. I'm on the Home Depot website looking for some good deals, maybe some good early Black Friday deals. And as I scroll down, I see the Black Friday deals for you section. And some of these prices are actually pretty good. But the one that knocked me off my socks is this one right here. It is the Rigid 3-gallon peak horsepower shop vac for $79.98. That is a savings of over $39. So this is what you get for $79. It is a powerful shop vac vacuum. It has a section to keep the attachments and also a section for the cord and hose. It's pretty big, okay? So I would pick this up, definitely. I keep mine in the washroom, clean out that limp trap. I did a video on this, comparing it to the cordless Milwaukee. Go check that out. For $79.98, go pick one up.